Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Blade 2008 model import from Japan. And if you want to know how to remove the thing from the factory part before, we already got another video. This Toyota Blade came with the factory screen and snap navigation before in Japan. And at this moment we already custom fit in the new 10-inch touchscreen, full package with the wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and GPS and Bluetooth, and the full HD anti-glare and synchronized vision reverse camera. So the 10-inch is now on the screen with the wireless Android Auto running, and we use the camera and the phone to record this video. So the steering wheel control all work into the new system. Okay, it's beautiful, no problem. And this one has 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 of the button work well into the system here, and we fit in a very nice camera at the back end at the same factory camera slot. Of course, we remove the factory camera and fit our new camera in and make it looks like factory. Yeah, it really looks like factory. Okay, so have a look at here. So you can see that it is that the camera right into the same factory slot. Okay, and that is the Toyota Blade Master version. Okay, the car is a very nice setup. No doubt on that. Now just have a look at the camera. At the back end it's very dark, so we can see how clear, how clean the system is. The camera is very clear, showing everything at the back end, far and detail. But that's very dark outside, very dark. Yep, and it comes back quickly to the front application that we run. So yep, basically 10-inch full package, nicely custom fit for the Toyota Blade 2008 model, directly import from Japan. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.